G'day everyone, sorry about the noise. So just out the back here today, melting some aluminum doors, aluminum in a waste oil furnace, which is slightly modified. It's actually in an old oil drum filled with dirt. Next best thing with a gas tank inside it, it's been modified, burning quite well. Already got some aluminium in there. Tray ready to go. In a few minutes I'll pull it out and pour it out and see how they go.